Alan Peter Cayetano dahil sa mga naunang pagtatanong, mga kababayan, ng mga senator judges tulad po ni Erwin Tulfo at saka po ni Ping Lacson, napatayo si
2024, during the issue rally, public stated na yung the term, the word Romanov, ang nagtigdas mo noon si Mayor Bastello.
Alright. So yung information po ni Princess Maui dun sa video, sinabi niya kay BP, eh hindi po reliable.
Para nga hindi balik. Now, if Mayor Baste was making Romanovs uubusin kay Marcos, di dapat na-offend si
yun.
Senator Judge Amy Marcos because she's a Marcos. No? So,
Yun ang gusto niyang palabasin.
Nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Bulsa! Opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa! What you see is what you get. You decide.
Ano po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. O sa kakapos nila ng narrative na Operation Romanov, lalong napasama. Kasi mga kababayan, sa pagtatanong ngayon ng mga senator judges, yung Operation Romanov na pinalalabas nila, directed to the Vice President, na-establish mga kababayan na it was directed actually to the first family sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Napasama lalo mga kababayan. Kaya sumaklolo na po si Defense Counsel, Senator Judge pala, Alan Peter Cayetano. Dahil sa mga naunang pagtatanong, mga kababayan, ng mga senator judges tulad po ni Erwin Tulfo at saka po ni Ping Lacson, napatayo si Alan Peter Cayetano para mag-abogado uli kay Sara Duterte. Unahin natin mga kababayan yung pagtatanong ni Erwin Tulfo po. Ito po mga kababayan.
Witness here,
Yes, Your Honor.
yung Romanov plot, well, aside from what Senator Judge Tulfo said, it came from a state, but I picked it up doon sa video na pinalabas kanina ng defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
yung Romanov plot versus Sara for Princess Maui. Did you take that information seriously or not?
Yes, Your Honor. That's the reason why nung marinig namin, makita namin yung question ni Princess Maui about the Romanov.
Yung vlogger siya.
An open source investigation, tinignan ho namin baka meron. Ayun nga, ang nakita namin yung January 2024, during the issue rally, public stated na yung the term, the word Romanov, ang nagtigdas mo noon si Mayor Bastello.
Alright. So, yung statement ni Princess Maui sa video, how do you rate that info? Sa inyo po sa NBI, sa mga intelligence agencies, yung mga informations po ninyo, may rating, tama po ba? Correct me if I'm wrong here, Mr. Witness. For example, pag yung information po ninyo, pag yung information po na natanggap ninyo, ay may mga rating po. A1, completely reliable. B1, usually reliable source, information confirmed. B2, usually reliable, information probably true, but needs validation. C1, fairly reliable source, information confirmed. C2, fairly reliable source, information needs validation. D2F, source is doubtful, unreliable, or reliability cannot be assessed. So, saan nyo nilagay yung sinabi ni Princess Maui? Saan dito sa classification po na ito ng source of information? Is it A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 hanggang DF? Saan po? Kasi po ngayon, sir, napakarami na po mga impormasyon ng mga fake news.
Opo, sir. Sir, wait. Pwede na po.
Go ahead po. Go ahead.
Sir, yung una po namin ginawa, we try to invite Princess Maui to shed light doon sa sinasabi nilang Romanov. Since hindi ho nag-appeal si Princess Maui, wala ho kaming basis. So, classify muna namin ito na non-validated information. Naghanap kami sa open source Yun nga, ang nakita namin, ang unang nagpikas niyan, si Mayor Baste.
Yun.
So, medyo nakita namin, teka muna, parang baliktad yata ang sitwasyon.
Baliktad?
Si Mayor Baste nagsimula ang Romanov. Bakit dito? Ito yung tinatanong ni Princess Maui sa Vice Presidente. So,
Correct.
medyo it doesn't make sense, sir. Wala kaming na-validate since hindi nag-appear si Princess Maui. So, we classify the information as unvalidated
So,
information.
what you did, nung hindi mo ma-confirm yung kay Princess Maui information, naghanap ka ng
Opo.
counter source,
Yes, sir. Open source, sir.
open source, okay, to validate.
Yes, sir.
And what happened to that source?
Yeah, based doon sa video na yon, January, if I'm not mistaken. Yun nga, yung may Isog Rally, Your Honor, ang unang nagbanggit ng Romanov, si Mayor Baste, parang tinatakot niya yung presidente.
Okay,
Doon.
Mr. Waiters, I'm running out of time. So, isa lang pong tanong ko. So, yung information po ni Princess Maui dun sa video, yung sinabi niya kay BP, eh hindi po reliable.
Hindi reliable in so far as the cybercrime.
Di ba?
Thank you, Mr. President.
Unreliable yung Operation Romanov na kwento nila.
Threat na yon, yung Romanov na salita, it was used to warn as a threat to the first family.
Correct.
The word Romanov came from the mouth of Mayor Baste Duterte,
Correct.
na para bang binabantaan niya yung first family.
Correct.
You follow me, Mr. Witness?
Yes, sir. Tama po yun.
Oh,
Thank
Tama
you.
po.
tama. Ito na po, si Ping Lacson.
I just want to pursue the point raised by Senator Judge Rapi Tulfo and the others.
Gentleman may proceed and he has to...
I don't know about the other senator judges, pero until today, when Senator Judge Rapi Tulfo clarified
Opo.
na yung palang Oplan Romanov a threat against the first family.
You see?
Ang impression ko since last week, nung pag-uusapan natin yung Oplan Romanov, a threat ito against the Vice President. And since sabi nyo, part ng investigation ninyo,
Lalong na diin po,
Yes, sir.
na-booking yung Operation
Yung bang-
Romanov nila.
speech ni Mayor Baste Duterte sa Maisog, naging part pa ng open source nyo yun?
Part
In
ng
this particular investigation that you conducted.
hindi po siya nag-form part as...
So kulang yung inyong open source
Yeah,
information.
hindi po kami nakafocus sa Romanov, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Was it also your impression na yung threat do sa Romanov was directed against VP Sara until today?
I don't...
Please be honest.
Yeah,
Don't be ashamed.
I don't think so, Your Honor, kasi unang-una, ang context ng Operation Romanov against the first family.
I know.
So definitely against the president and his family, Your Honor. Ngayon, nung tinanong ho siya ni Princess Maui, doon nga kami nagtaka. Anong ibig sabihin ng Romanov? Anong context niya ng Romanov? Bakit against sa Vice President? Hindi naman sila yung first family. So, yan yung reason po, Your Honor, kung bakit we try to invite Princess Maui na shed us some light para makita namin ano bang ibig mong sabihin doon. Ano ba yung pwede namin i-validate na information para makapag-case build up kami pag mayroon.
Yes. So bakit hindi naging part ng investigation nyo do sa threat against the life of the President and the First Lady? Kasi family yung binabanggit ni Mayor Basten, di ba? Hindi kasama yung si Speaker Romualdez, hindi kasama yung Chief Justice,
Opo.
di ba?
Yes, sir.
Pero threat against the family, the first family,
Yes, sir.
as mentioned by Senator Judge Rapi Tulfo.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, ang sabi mo, hindi naging part ng investigation nyo doon sa inyong investigation report or sa affidavit of investigation, yung open source ng Maisog.
Hindi po siya
Wait.
nakasama.
Bakit hindi napasama? Open source din yun eh. That could reinforce
Correct.
yung theory
Dapat sinama
o
nila.
yung conclusion nyo na meron talagang serious threat against
The first family.
the President and the others.
Correct.
Bakit hindi nyo ginawang part doon sa
Nakaligtad siguro talaga.
Unless
Dapat sinama. Tama si
pareho tayo na
Ping.
impression na until today, ang alam natin sa Romanov, a threat against VP Sara. Yun ang
Na-
impression ko since last
Napasama
week.
pa
Yun ho yung,
tuloy.
yun po yung impression namin nung hindi pa namin nakikita
That's
sa
exactly
open
my
source.
question, Attorney Loto.
Napasama pa.
So ngayon nyo rin lang na-realize na yung palang Oplan Romanov, a threat pala sa
First
Kita
time
mo na.
Family. Opo, Your Honor.
Hindi sa
Thank you.
vice-presidente.
Noted,
Tapos?
entered into the records and point of information. As Senator Judge Lacson said, no, it's for each judge to appreciate. But let me put context, no. I'm not close to VP
So,
Sara.
nag-deny pa
I'm not close
na hindi siya close.
to, Mayor Baste.
Pati kay Baste.
Ang kasama ko sa Congress si
Huwag kami.
former Deputy Speaker Pulong. But in the last 4 years, I think I've seen him twice or thrice.
Yes, Your Honor.
Vice-presidente ka ni ano? Ni
My
Digong
nung sinabi ni Mayor Baste
2016.
is pag natulog ka sa gabi, remember the Romanovs. So we have to look at our history. The Romanovs were evicted via a revolution. Diba? So, Mayor Baste was doing a parallel ng 1986 na paalis yung mga Marcoses via revolution. But unlike the Romanovs, the Marcoses were given asylum or whatever you call it in Hawaii, and over time, nakabalik until the president became president. Ang Romanovs, inubos sila para nga hindi makabalik. Now, if Mayor Baste was making Romanovs ubusin kay Marcos, di dapat na-offend si
Yun.
Senator Judge Amy Marcos because she's a Marcos. No? So,
Yun ang gusto niyang palabasin. Dapat na-offend.
So if we was saying, may Oplan mo,
Wala na eh. Manid na si ano.
Romanov or
Si Amy.
Romanov kayo, I'm sure the PNP or the Presidential Security Command, the National Council, would have filed a case against Baste. So I just want, it's fair that you mentioned him, it's fair sa investigation mo, but I don't think we should draw a conclusion here that Mayor Baste was threatening the first
Dinefend niya
family.
si Baste.
Because remember, there's a thin line between a warning
Defense
and
lawyer.
a threat. So pag
Alan
sinabi ko sa inyo
Cayetano.
yun, witness, pareho tayong abogado, kompanyero, pareho tayong taga-Ateneo, mag-ingat ka sa sasabihin mo. That could be a fair warning. That could be not a threat, di ba? But kapag may threat talaga na pinarating ko sa iyo, pag hindi ko gusto ano mo, kakasuhan kita, that could be a illegal threat, di ba? Pero pwedeng warning. So I just want that on the record, Mr. Presiding Officer, Mr. Senate President, because everyone's watching. And in the same manner, we have to be fair to
Natuwa
the
yung
first family.
Defense
We have to be
Council.
fair
Pinakita.
also to Mayor Baste and to the Duterte.
Kakampihan niya natin talaga.
Draw a conclusion that there was an actual. So the Council for Defense was making a distinction, mentioning Romanov and Oplan Romanov are two different things. It may be the same, it may be different thing. For all we know, narinig ni
Malusot na naman.
Mayor Baste na sila Romanov, kaya binanggit niya pabalik. We don't know. I don't know. I haven't discussed it with anyone. I haven't discussed it with the few senators na kaibigan ko dito. So let's just be circumspect and careful from making conclusions. But as far as it is relevant, Mr. Presiding Officer, I appreciate the answer of the witness. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Senator
Klaro po, Mr. Senator Judge pala. Klaro ang pag-defend mo. Kahit sabihin mo na hindi sa dinidefensa mo at hindi mo kaibigan si Baste, vice-presidente kang tumakbo ni Digong. Alangan man hindi kayo close. Di ba? Mga kababayan at saka ni Sara Duterte, iba yung sinasabi po ninyo kaysa sa inyo mga ginagawa, mga actions dyan. As a Senator Judge, ang tingin ng publiko, Defense Council ka na, dumagdag ka sa puwersa ng Defense Council kasi palubog ng palubog. Pabaon ng pabaon, lalong nayayari si Sara Duterte dahil sa mga pagtatanong ninyo. Ayan lang po mga kababayan, yung ating short video ngayon. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye. God bless.
Swimming and lifting cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab ka rental din po kami. But anyway, Ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.